Hi, so what are you gifting your near and dear ones this gifting season? I'm sure you're bored of gifting the same old ready made gifts each time. So here's something different, a self made gift using Penkraft's do it yourself kits, choosing from a wide variety of ethnic and modern art forms on your choice of object. Order a kit of your choice, open it, watch the video tutorial, and make your gift using the materials in the box. It's really that simple. You can order these Penkraft DIY kits on both Amazon as well as the Penkraft website itself. Now let us take a look at the actual box. Here we have Penkraft's Fluid Art on Tray and Tea Coasters kit. Wow, the box itself is a collectible. Not only is this aesthetically pleasing, but it is also environmentally friendly. So, let's open it up and see what's inside. Inside we have a set of 5 different acrylic colors. The specialty of these colors is that you can mix them and get a new unique shade of your choice. A pair of MDF coasters and components of a MDF tray which you can easily assemble yourself by gluing the pieces together. So, this box contains all the tools and materials that you need to make fluid art on tray and tea coasters. And here's the cherry on the cake. You get a free video tutorial for the art form that you have ordered the DIY kit for. Each kit comes with a free access to online tutorials specifically tailored for an easy and efficient learning experience. So thanks to Penkraft's DIY kits, you can now make your own gifts at your own pace at your own place, watching the video tutorial on how to do it. And of course, learn the art form in the process. Penkraft DIY kits are available for alcohol ink art, resin art, lip art, dot mandala, pen mandala, Warli painting, bond art, fluid art, Madhubani painting, decoupage and more on a variety of surfaces such as canvas, wall cloth, ceramic mug, MDF box, kettle, MDF board, jewelry box, tote bags, tea coasters, tea tray, passport cover and many others. So have you ordered a Penkraft DIY kit yet?